Hey, I know your pain. I was feeling the same way not long ago. I'm here to help you. In the following minutes, I'll show you how I was able to transform my life. Watch this closely and thank me after that.
Okay, one of the simplest and easiest things I like to do is geotag my images for my website. And you simply put in geotagging, and geoimgr usually comes up first in the first search results. It's geoimgr. Just hit on that. It's a free site. When you get over there, it says start now. Just hit that. It says drop photos or click to upload, but only put one photo in here at a time because that's all it can handle. So I have a photo I drew up to my desktop. Oh, there we go. I can use any of these. Now the photo is down here. Okay, you can't see the whole thing. I didn't make it big enough. But this is for the longitude. The latitude is this box here. So when you open your second window and look for the longitude and latitude where you are, because I don't do it in here, I do it in Google. I just look it up. The left number will go in this box. You want to highlight the number that's in there already, and when you paste your number in, that'll be deleted. Okay, for the longitude side, if there's a west or W in this, when you put your number in, you have to put a minus in front of it. So say where I am, or where I work from in Goodyear, Arizona, has a west in front of it, so I put that minus there, and then I paste a number there. Then you click the TGI right EXIF tags, which is down here below where you can't see that either. I didn't make my window nearly big enough. Okay, you would hit to do that, and then you'll see it while it works and puts the tags in there. And then when it's through, there's a download button here, and you just download that back to your computer. And I have a geotag folder as a separate location where I save my images back once they're geotagged. Otherwise, if it goes back in the same directory you uploaded it from, it'll have a 1 appended so you can tell the two images apart. But to me, that's just, I never like to get confused, so I do it the other way. I just make another folder to download it into. And that's one of the easiest things you can do for a little link juice to help you in your Google rankings. And I suggest you do that for all your uploaded images. And then also save the images as the name of whatever you're trying to do, like your keywords, your top keywords. Save your images for those keywords you're trying to rank for, and also the city that you're trying to rank for. So like if you're trying to do dental implants in Phoenix, put dental implants Phoenix as the name of one, and whatever other keywords you're trying to rank for, just name your images sequentially for those. If you run out of keywords names for your images, just start back at the top and name them again, going down your list. Google doesn't care if you have more than one image with the same name on your site, so take advantage of that and name your images.
Cool, right? Call us or click the link below. We look forward to working with you.